In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert screenshot or screen clipping within Microsoft Word. So to start with, let me start by identifying where I want to put the screenshot, and I have to be on the page where I want to take the screenshot. For example, I'm on this page, and right now I'm on Microsoft Word. So to insert the page, the screen clipping, you can come to insert over here and you'll be able to see screenshot. You can click, you'll be able to see it over here. All right, so you have the option to insert the screenshot directly from here, or the screen clipping, which you can click, and now it gives you the opportunity to select the area that you want to insert. Assuming I want to insert the clip of this equation, this one, I can just highlight it, right? And once I release, you can see it has added it to my document, and I can click and proceed with the picture formatting, arrange things, and even crop if I want to of the different sections. All right, if you found this helpful, please leave a like.